I'm Chandra Antone, and I got a new Mustang mare. This is Rain, and I wanted to make some live videos so you guys could see her progress. So first I'm just going to work on catching her, because she's caught, obviously. She has a halter on, but she's really shy and she just kind of shuts down. So I just want to show how I would deal with that and how you guys can deal with that. So I'm just going to approach her and try and talk you through it, but I might get far away. So, but right, like she's already looking at me, so that's what I want. Before she would just kind of shut me out and like turn her head away. So she's doing a lot better with that, but I want to get up to her and touch her face without her like getting all tense. So I'm just going to go side to side first, and I'm not going to just walk straight up to her. And she's watching me already, so that's better than what we had. She's moving her hind end away. So I don't want to put too much pressure on her at first. So I'm just going to go side to side. She's too good at this already. So I want her to face me, but I'm going to kind of approach at her shoulder, and then I just want to work my way up to her face, because she's getting a little nervous about her face, so I can put the lead rope on. Sneak up there. I'm going to kind of approach her sideways, so I'm not directly like putting a bunch of pressure on her. And I'm just going to watch her body language and see what she's ready for. But she's actually good because she's got her head and neck bent toward me. See her head go up, she's like, I don't know. Then she blinked her eyes, so I'm just going to back off a little. I just work my way up. Like, I started this yesterday and I made a video and I just worked my way up. I did this, and then when she got a little tense, actually there she was good, and then I'd just wait until she relaxed, and then I'd back up. And I just approach and retreat until I can get up there. But I've done it like 3 times and she's already thinking about it. Every time she looks at me, I'll kind of back up and release the pressure. But then I'll just kind of side approach. Every time I get closer, her head goes up. Like, I'm not going to sneak up on her, but I don't want to put too much pressure. She's not too worried about that. It's the face part that she doesn't like. But I'll work my way to that. She's good with the like coming up and just kind of rubbing around the shoulder. I'll just work my way up toward her halter. That's where she wants to like turn her head a little bit. Like right there. I'll just try and kind of stay there, and then she stopped moving, so then I'll retreat. She's obviously not crazy wild, like she's not just right off into the range, but she kind of went back to her Mustang ways, so she's just a little shy. But I'll just work my way back up to where I was. I'm not going to sneak, I'm just going to pet her like I'd pet a normal horse. Just work my way up there. That was better, she's not too bad. She didn't move away as much that time. So pretty much that's all I'm going to do is come back and approach and work my way up to the halter, and then I want to keep my hand there, which is the pressure, until she stops moving her head away or bends a little bit toward me. I don't want to take it away when she takes her head away, because then I'm rewarding her for that. But I'm just going to do that on both sides and then work my way up to putting a lead line on her.